kind of something that's obviously been on the rise for some time, and it's been mentioned even more so with the current situation everyone's finding themselves in at the moment. So what does kind of, I guess, the term digital transformation mean to you, and what challenges and opportunities do you think it kind of presents to different businesses?
So I think, so if you go to different industries, digital transformation might mean different things, for people, and that's fine. One thing clear is that digital transformation is the idea that modern technologies can drastically change the way we work. And solve the problems that we can't solve right now. In my specific view, I think digital transformation is putting technology in the center of the organization. There is a very interesting book that I was reading a couple of months ago, where it's clear the author says, like, digital transformation is not about the destination; it's about the journey. So it's everything about the journey. If you have a digital transformations program and you have your phases of the program, and you start here and you end here, it's probably okay, but that's not the main goal. The main goal is that you should have this kind of feedback control loops. And in order to face this kind of changing environments in the future, what you need to do is adapt your organization to be resilient to any kind of change. But the main goal is to prepare your organization to the next digital and technology change in the future. So if you have a program that starts here and ends here and is not like a feedback control loop, then you probably will fail your digital transformation. You'll fix your problem right now, but you'll find the problem in 2 years from now again. So put technology in the center of your organization, and then the change will become organic. So I think that's the focus on digital transformation.
Yeah, and I guess it's a kind of about enabling all employees, not just kind of tech people in the organization, enabling all employees to be involved in the digital transformation of the business. Because if, for example, the whole business needs to work from home, then it needs to be something that everyone is enabled to do, right?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the things that like large organizations have some challenges to manage is risk. One of the things that I think digital transformation enables you is to allow the change and embrace risk and manage risk in a different way. And this cascades to a cultural change with our employees, which sometimes they push back, which is quite normal, because people don't like change. We really don't like change. And we see like this change that happening right now with the pandemic. It's quite difficult for everyone. So if we don't change a lot, there is less risk. That's obvious. But instead of having this mindset, the correct mindset is let's embrace risk. Let's manage this risk properly. So I think digital transformation has this capability if it's focused on the right things.
And the best piece of advice you could give to businesses to digitally transform?
Yeah, I think technology is a major competitive advantage. Yeah, if someone said, I don't know where this quote comes from, but someone said like the only thing static in life is change. Yeah. So and this is what we need to understand, is that if you don't do the change by yourself, some external events, some more competitor will do the change for you. And then the change will be much more complicated because it will be shocked.
Forced upon you, right? Yeah.
Exactly, it's forced upon you. So I think it means that you need to embrace risk in a different way. And digital transformation that allows like cloud enablement, SRE, DevOps, all this stuff is one of the mechanisms to allow you to manage risk better.